National Homebuyers Month. Good morning, everyone. Happy National Homebuyers Month. I am Marva Morris, your Central New Jersey Realtor, moving you forward. Welcome. It's day 16. So let's talk about protecting that investment, your home purchase. So specifically, I want to talk about today homeowners insurance and home warranties. Now, think of this as guarding your castle and keeping peace of mind as a new homeowner. So let's discuss first homeowners insurance 101. Now, this is a policy you must have if you have a mortgage. The lender is going to require that you insure the home. And even if you own the home outright, you'd want to actually get a homeowner's insurance. Now, it typically covers dwelling coverage. So if your home is damaged by things like fire, wind, hail, or other covered perils, insurance helps pay to repair or rebuild your home. Now, it also covers personal property. So your stuff, furniture, electronics, clothes, that stuff is covered too. And usually a percentage of the dwelling is covered. So if a pipe bursts and ruins your furniture, or someone breaks in and steal things, this helps replace those things. Now, you can get liability. Now, which means if someone gets hurt on your property, say they slip on your icy walkway, which is why you need to shovel, and they sue, this helps cover legal and medical costs. Now, it also helps cover additional living expenses. So say, for instance, you have a fire. You can't live in the home during repairs, and it's a covered claim. Insurance can pay for a hotel or temporary rent for you to stay somewhere else while your home is being fixed. Now, things you need to think about when picking a policy, make sure the dwelling coverage limit is enough to rebuild your home in case of a disaster. Now, this might be different from the market value. So in New Jersey, for instance, construction costs can be high. So discuss that with your insurance agent, because the last thing that you want is for your home to be damaged and you're not paying to rebuild it if something happens disastrous, right? Also, choose a deductible. Now, this is the amount that you pay for out-of-pocket claim. Choose a deductible that you can pay. So common, you have $500 or $1,000. Higher deductibles can lower your premium, but make sure it's an amount you can afford in case of an emergency. So don't get a low premium with a $5,000 deductible and you get an emergency and you have to pay $5,000. Now, here's some New Jersey considerations for standard homeowners insurance does not cover flooding. So if your home is in a FEMA, which is the Federal Emergency Management Area, their flood zone, which is usually in parts of New Jersey areas or it's near rivers, FEMA has determined these are high flood areas, your lender will also require separate flood insurance. So that's something to think about when you are purchasing a home, because it could add $200 to $300 extra to your payment. Now, even if it's not required, if you're in a low-lying area, you might consider it because flooding can happen from heavy rains too. Now, also, if you're in a condo or HOA, check what the master policy covers versus what you need. Often you need an HO6 condo policy for interior and personal property. Shop around for insurance. Bundling with your auto insurance can save you money, right? So just make sure when you're shopping around, the first thing you might want to do is check with whomever you actually insure your car with. Now, I can recommend a couple of insurance brokers who gets quotes from multiple companies, which helps you when you go out. And you usually don't have to pay them any money, which is also another benefit. They shop for you. Love it. Now, moving on to home warranties. This is optional, but worth considering, especially for older homes. A home warranty is a service contract that covers repairs or replacements of major systems and appliances in your home for a set period. Usually the warranty lasts a year. Some can be 2 years when you first purchase them. Now, for example, if your water heater or your AC breaks down, a home warranty might pay to fix or replace it. You typically pay a service fee, maybe like $75 per call. They often cover plumbing, electrical, heating, and your appliances, which is kind of, that's it. That's what we need replaced usually. Now, these warranties usually cost a few $100s a year. Sometimes as a negotiation perk, we will ask the seller to provide a 1-year home warranty for the buyer at closing. It gives you peace of mind that if anything breaks in the first year, you're covered. Now, as my gift to my first-time home buyers, I will provide them with a home warranty. So it's something that I do because I want you to be secure. It's my gift to you. However, with home warranties, read the fine print. Not every issue is covered. For instance, if the system was already in bad condition prior to the sale, they might not cover existing problems. Think of it like insurance for things that will eventually wear out. It can be worthwhile, especially if you're not super handy like me, or you don't have the savings set aside yet for repairs. You want to make sure a warranty is something that'll help you with that. Now, you also want to consider keeping your home protected. Beyond insurance and warranties, consider a good security system or smart cameras if that makes you feel safer. New smart devices can alert you to issues like smart water leak detectors. I know a couple of clients that had them in their homes and got notified when they were on vacation. Gotta love it. Maintain your home. A well-maintained home is less likely to have big emergencies. Simple things like cleaning the gutters, servicing your HVAC yearly go a long way. We'll touch more on maintenance on like day 24, 25, right around that area. Now, having proper insurance and an optional warranty means you can sleep easier at night. Hopefully, you never need to file a big claim, but it's there for the what ifs. If you have any questions about what coverage to get or want recommendations for insurance agents or warranty companies, text or call me at 609-468-6324. If you missed that, it's somewhere here in this post. I've seen which companies handle claims well and not so well through my clients' experiences, so I'm happy to share that insight with you. Tomorrow is day 17. We're going to talk about something every New Jersey homeowner is familiar with: property taxes and some benefits of owning. Don't miss it, especially if you're buying in New Jersey. Once again, I am Marva Morris, your Central New Jersey Realtor, and I am moving you forward. Happy, happy, happy National Homebuyers Month. Enjoy!